So Colin's here again. Today we're going to be doing the rear view camera on a 2013 Outback, my mom's wagon here, and so it looks like there's some the rear camera stopped working. It worked intermittently for a while, and we're going to try and fix that. I've got a new replacement one from went with Subaru, so mom could just take it back and return it if something didn't work out, or if I can reseal and fix this one. Couple things from my research, couple things that can go wrong with this. One of them is the software in the StartTech system can kind of supposedly malfunction, but my local Subaru tuner said that's not only kind of a thing. So what I did was first thing, to eliminate that the reverse lockout switch is not working, and you can actually go into, I won't go through the whole thing now, but you can go into setup and you can see that when you put it in reverse, that the reverse sensor lockout thing is working. So that's not going to be the problem. And there's condensation in the bulb. There's a couple videos about a different year Subaru about how to kind of take this panel off, and I'm no expert, but I've taken a bunch of door panels off in my life, so I'm going to go at it. I'm going to start with my trim removal tools and a good old-fashioned screwdriver, and I'll hopefully I can splice these videos together, and I have some idea how to do it from other YouTube channels and stuff I've watched. So I think I gotta take these two, maybe this panel off, and then I have to get under here, unscrew that, and then I think I can get up in here and replace the camera.